Meet our Installers Miles app, which helps installers commission chargers efficiently and intuitively, as well as ensuring compliance with the smart regulations. Installer Miles helps you commission chargers with or without the driver present, and a Wi-Fi network isn't necessary, which is great for new builds. And it's one app which works across a number of different charger brands, making it a convenient option. Seamlessly commission the charger with just a few easy steps. Once you've wired up the charger and connected it to the electricity supply, open the Installer Miles app. Follow our step-by-step process to commission your charger smoothly. Start by providing the charger make and model, then simply scan the QR code. Our app conveniently supports Bluetooth and hotspot connections, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Say goodbye to laptops and complicated setups. With just 5 minutes of your time, you can seamlessly commission the charger. Easily navigate through our intuitive interface. Configure options such as network, load management, solar, and more right from the home screen. The app shows you which sections you've completed to help ensure that the charger has been successfully commissioned. This quick process will give you the confidence that everything is working as expected. The charger is now primed and ready. Meanwhile, our driver receives an email confirming the successful installation and a request that they download the Electric Miles app to help them manage their charging schedules. In less than 90 seconds, the driver can create an account on Electric Miles. Earn rewards as you complete installations on chargers eligible for the rewards program. Download Installer Miles now to join our community of installers and enjoy the perks of efficient charger commissioning while earning rewards for your dedication and hard work.